Okay, I'm this guy, Brett West. Thank you. I do have something to say though. Shishing pointed out that this paper is available for anybody to download a copy of if they would like to. So, when I come to your market, I'm going to give you a test if I come speak to you. So you get that paper, and I'll ask you some questions. See if you pass. You're a bioactivist, right? Okay, but maybe not that kind of bioactivist, right? Okay, I'm just joking. I won't give you a test. Okay. I'm going to talk about these 6 iridoids. And I list here the major iridoids. Now, there are many iridoids in these ingredients, in these products, but these are the ones that are present in the highest amounts. So I'm going to focus on these 6. One thing I wanted to point out here, though, also, Shishing pointed out, if I can get this, there we go. This one right here. This one, as he pointed out to you, is a new one that's been discovered. Now, typically, we tell people about a new discovery in a scientific meeting, something like the American Chemical Society meeting. But the world now first learned about this compound being a noni here at ILC in this meeting just a few minutes ago. So that was the new introduction. So it's maybe more exciting for us scientists than for you, but in the scientific world, this is a new discovery, okay? I'll be again speaking about deacetylacetylacetic acid, aspartic acid, and scandicide, which are the major iridoids in the original bioactive beverage. Now, in the extra, there's 3 other major iridoids that are introduced to the product that come from olives. And again, that's oleuropine, ligustriside, and oluricide. Now, just to remind you, like we may have explained before, you don't get this in normal olive products. Okay, these are gone. If you go to the grocery store and you buy olives, they're not there. They're removed in processing. They're removed in the way that the olives are prepared, and you have to get them. You have to have special ingredients to have these iridoids present. So you only get that in these products. You're not going to get them. So if anybody ever asks you that question, say, well, why don't I go eat the pizza? Well, because the pizza doesn't have any iridoids, okay? Now, the bioactivities of these 3 major iridoids I've summarized here. And I'm going to give you a couple examples of a couple of these bioactivities and a little bit later. The one is anti-inflammation associated with these iridoids. Interestingly enough, when I first started working for Morinda back in 1997, I collected a lot of information from different ethnobotany journals and reports. And ethnobotanists, again, are scientists that go around the world and find out what people use plants for what health conditions, things like that. So I found where noni was used in different parts of the world, one of the #1 benefits of noni was for pain and inflammation-related conditions. In fact, in one place it's called the painkiller tree, painkiller bush. So inflammation is a big one. Of course, associated with that anti-arthritis activity. Also, blood glucose, blood sugar control. And there's cancer preventive activity and DNA protection activity. Those are related. Those 2. Antibiotic activity. Antioxidant activities also occur due to iridoids, and not only in just having some ability to scavenge free radicals, but also influencing the enzymes in the body that have antioxidant activity, so helping those function better. And also inhibition of LDL cholesterol, the oxidation of that cholesterol. And also the conditions where there might be skin discoloration issues, things like that, help with those things. So a number of conditions. Now I'm going to talk